Hello, I'm at Affiliate World in Dubai. What a fantastic place to be hosting this event, which is all about affiliate marketing. Whether you're a newbie to the world of affiliate marketing, a seasoned pro, a super affiliate, or one of the many networks, this is the place to be to upscale your game, network with fellow affiliate marketeers, and also learning, because this is a real journey, and this is the place where you can put all that information together and improve your world with affiliate marketing. So let's head on inside and see what there is to be on offer today. So here we are at Affiliate World Dubai, inside the main exhibitor hall. As you can probably tell, it is absolutely buzzing with energy. There are people here networking, they're introducing themselves. We're managing to talk to lots of exhibitors, and they've all been really, really helpful. I've managed to talk to so many and make so many good connections. What's really been great about attending this, because I didn't know what to expect coming out here in Dubai and deciding to commit to this, is that everyone has been so open and welcoming and very, very open about what they do, what they're going to offer, and actually what's in it for me as an affiliate marketer. You know, how is this going to help me by being here? So I've managed to talk to network owners, representatives who have explained what their verticals are, where their strengths lie, and that's going to allow me to get back and make some decisions as to the verticals I want to focus in. And actually there are so many products within those verticals, so many niches, it's really important to be able to have that first-hand information by being here. The second thing that I've really got out of being here today is the learning, because they've got a couple of stage areas and those presenters have been very, very polished, good information, very relevant and to the point. Because I've attended quite a few shows over the years, and sometimes you sit through some of these speaker sessions and they can be quite a bit of showmanship but no real substance, and here that's been the absolute opposite. There have been some really actionable takeaways from each of the sessions that I've sat through, and my diary and my notes and videos are buzzing with information that I need to take back and put into practice. And probably the biggest thing that I've got out of this attending this event has been the networking. You really cannot put a price on the quality of the people that are here and the conversations that I've had. Really high level conversations, which I know are going to take us in a whole new direction, adding to the many things that we've already been doing as a business, but now taking us to the next level. So I know this is going to be, I really cannot put a price on the value of attending this event over these last 2 days and what this is going to be about.